The trouble code U0415 is pretty misleading in Volvo cars. The code may be registered in various modules, but mainly in ECM and TCM. It means the modules can't receive proper data from the ABS module. And since this is a communication code, a lot of people will start investigating wiring damages, connector corrosion on the ABS module, etc. But basically this code means that some control modules in your car get no data or corrupted data from the ABS. And this may happen in several cases. Before you dig into wiring, check the following things. First, make sure the battery is good. Your ABS module is extremely voltage dependent. It means that if your 12-volt battery is weak and it will drop voltage when you are cranking the engine, the ABS module will get extremely low power and may start glitching heavily. Checking the battery is possible with a load tester that you can buy cheap or borrow for free from a local car parts store. Then the second possible culprit is a failing ABS sensor. If one sensor doesn't send data to the ABS module, the data package that is sent to the engine control module will not be correct, and so the ECU may set the U0415 code. Usually, if you have a good scanner, you can scan the codes in the ABS module and see which sensor is sending wrong data. The problem may be with the sensor itself or with the wire connecting it, but if your scanner can't connect to the ABS module, this is not a very good scenario. In this case, you may need to look at the connector of the ABS module and pump. If you can't see any corrosion or loose connections, there is nothing else DIY friendly you can do. The module will need to be tested with professional equipment. One last thing you may try is to find someone with VIDA software for Volvo cars and reset the calibrations of the ABS and steering angle sensor. Also, VIDA may give you a much more detailed layout of codes and help you see what causes the issue.